Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is a Monday that I'm filming this, so happy Monday, happy start to the week. I know what you're probably thinking, Rhonda, where's your shirt? I swear it's on. If you guys follow me over on TikTok or on my other channel, Hot Mess in the Kitchen, I had uploaded a like a little video, whatever, and I had said I'd got a treatment done on my neck. And you guys see some of the marks. So the treatment's doing good. It was a laser, CO2 laser treatment that they offered where I get my lip filler, and I was like, yeah, sure, why not? Whatever. So anyways, that's doing great. But I had a hoodie on because it's been freaking all over the place weather-wise, and it rubbed it raw in 2 spots. That's on me. So today I'm like, keep it off of me. So every video that you see with me like this, just know that that is why I look like this. So anyways, we are here to do our slayglam box unboxing for October. Super cute packaging, love that, very themed. That is one thing I am noticing since they took away their cutesy little pink box. Their packaging has always been themed for the month or whatever the theme is for the bag, so I like that. Update on the TEMU ring, still going strong. Some of you guys have asked to keep you guys updated on how it's holding up. I will tell you guys, I've not had any issues with any of the jewelry that I have picked up from TEMU, but also my jeweler warned me to, with my real stuff, to always like remove it when I'm putting on like washing my hands or sanitizing or whatever, which I know is, if you're out and about, that's not the easiest thing to do. So I'll like try and like spray or put my sanitizer like around and then kind of go around the ring. So just a little close-up update, it's not discolored at all back here. And another thing with me is I'm allergic to a lot of jewelry, and I've not had an issue allergy wise either, which is really nice. So anyways, if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. I talk a lot. I am a Gemini, and the ADHD is strong today. I was talking to my girlfriend and I was like, girl, I'm so all over the place today. Like, it's a Monday, so I feel like Mondays anyways are like that. I said, but it's to the point that I literally accidentally, like, I warmed my water up in the microwave today, walked away, forgot about it, completely sidetracked. My husband, like, and I'm like, oops, guess gotta warm it up again. I mean, all day long. It's mighty strong today. And she's like, it's okay, same here. I'm supposed to be working, and sent me this TikTok. She's like, but yet I find myself on TikTok. Then I found myself on TikTok after she sent me that TikTok. Anyways, huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Thank you to those of you that have clicked the thanks button. This is new to YouTube. It's a way that you can donate or tip the creator of your choice, and it is not a monthly subscription. You just do it as you want if you want to, and I just want to say thank you to those of you that decide to do that. And last but not least, before we jump into this unboxing, you guys got to check out the cutest little bed that I got from Walmart for a cutie kitty sugar dumplings. If you guys don't know, that is my kitty cat. That's technically not my kitty cat, it's just the neighborhood cat that floats around, that comes in our house through the doggy door. And my husband's like, you need to go ahead and get her a bed. Guess what? He really did be liking a cutie kitty sugar dumplings, and I was like, you want me to get her a bed? Okay, so I'm hoping one of these days she wants to have a sleepover, but she's not there yet. So anyway, she's out rendezvousing right now. She was here this morning. She comes through the doggy door, and if we're not on this level, she'll come and find us and meow through the house till she finds one of us. It's the cutest flipping thing ever. Okay, so the slayglam box is a monthly subscription. It is very makeup heavy, so if you are looking for a subscription box that is in fact makeup heavy, mostly like majority of indie brands, and it's about $25 a month, and code HOTMESS will save you 10%. Slayglam box is going to be for you. It always comes very wonderfully packaged. I don't typically have any issues when it comes to any of my products in here. So there is no card, so I'm just going to go ahead and go through everything. The first one is from Rude, I guess it's Rude Cosmetics. It's a cream puff natural blusher, and it's in fruit tart. So So this is what the packaging looks like. Oh my gosh, one last thing, guys. I'm sorry, I just get really excited to talk. Check out my nails. Hold on, there you go. Do you guys, I don't know if the camera will pick up the glitter, but if you are someone who, you guys know, I go through phases where all it takes is one thing and I can't like handle going into a salon anymore, like social anxiety life. Well, I'd been going and getting my nails done and everything, and good old me, something happens, sets me off, and I'm like, yeah, I'll just do it myself. If you are looking for good gel polish, Nail Boo. That's legitimately what it's called. It's like $11.99 a bottle. But if you guys have seen my beauty room, you know I have like a wall, section of a wall that is filled with nail polish. And this is the best gel polish. It's almost like it's self-leveling. So I use like the Beetle something base and top coat, but then the color I used the Nail Boo, and I flippin' love it. And then I did put a glitter on top, which I'll link them for you guys if I can. So anyways, here is the, oh, I really like this, and it literally reminds me, I was playing in some of my Fenty Beauty today. I didn't put it on, I was just swatching for funsies, and I think it's called Strawberry Daiquiri, and it literally reminds me of that color wise. Is there a scent? There's a scent to that, I think. Wait. Oh, my bad. No, it's on my hands because it doesn't say it smells really good. Okay, this is really pretty, and it literally reminds me of Strawberry Daiquiri from Fenty Beauty. This is really nice and silky. Or is it whatever product's on my hand? I don't know. Welcome to the channel where we are not professional and we are probably out of focus. Hopefully not. Anyways, that is really pretty. I love this color. I wonder if it can be put on the lips too, because I think that would be really pretty. It says, flush your cheeks with the Sweetness Cream Blush Natural. I'm not really a fast reader, so I'm not going to keep you all here, but it doesn't look like it says anything about putting it on the lips. But stop smelling it. Okay. Moving on. The next thing is Jello Shots Jelly Eyeshadow. What? This is an amber gold. And a lot of times I feel like like I was telling you guys, like, ooh, this is pretty. It's mostly like indie brands you haven't heard of, which in all honesty is really nice. Okay, so it's got a little protective coat here. It reminds me of like a little paint pot or whatever those were called. No, paint pot was a primer, wasn't it? Okay. Oh yeah, this is pretty. This is like something, okay, well ignore that color swatch because that was the blush finger, so that's the actual. This reminds me of something that Tarte and Hourglass has. That's really pretty. Okay, that's the swatches right here. I darn near feel like if you could make a lipstick out of it. It's really nice and soft. And it doesn't dry down crazy fast. I feel like you can really maneuver it around. I like that. I like that a lot. Dude, I don't know what I put on my hands, but it smells so good. Oh, was it my hair oil? Maybe it was my hair oil. I don't know, but I really like it. I hope you guys had a great weekend, by the way. I don't know when you guys are going to see this. So great week. Okay, moving on. Next in here, we've got the Illuminati Cosmetics, and I think this is like a gloss. An iridescent gloss, which I love glosses, y'all. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a pinky shifty color. I like that a lot. I like that we're seeing like orange, very pumpkin-y, very holiday-esque. I don't have the prices of everything on here, so just FYI, I'm not for sure, but this is really pretty. I like that you see like pinks and whites and greens. It's a very shifty shade. Next in here we have the St. Lux Liquid Glow. It is a highlighter. So this is what it looks like. It's in like a little glass bottle. Let's swatch it. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, that's really pretty. It's very iridescent-y, not so much, like, I'm not a huge fan of it, but in all honesty, I like that it's not chunky. I like that it's very smooth, and I like that it's just a hint. you know, like I feel like that could be really pretty on the eyes, or just patted a little bit in the lips, like for a little pout. That's pretty. Okay, last in here we've got an eyeshadow palette, and it says candy on it. So this is what it looks like. And oh, it's by Rashabi Cosmetics. That's the sleeve. Oh, that's fun. That's real fun. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's in your standard type of cardboard packaging. It's very candy corn-esque, especially this row down here. So let's go ahead and swatch it. Reese Pieces, Airheads, Candy Corn, and Butterscotch. That's so cute, the name. I mean, literally, that is like a legitimate candy corn. Very pretty. I like the shimmers. We got licorice, Sour Patch, Sour Punch, and caramel. There's the colors. Those are fun. Okay, look at those swatches. I do think the swatches are really pretty. So that is cute. Definitely very good theme-wise as far as like the whole holiday, Halloween-esque type of dealio. So I do like that. And I do like that everything does coordinate, which is, you guys know, something that I really appreciate. I don't like the whole afterthought type of dealio, you know what I mean? So I do like that everything mixes well and coordinates. For me, this palette is a little scary because it's very colorful, but I do think like maybe using this in the transition and then maybe this on the lid with a little bit of this, I think I could come up with a look with it. But for me, I'd probably also have to have like my palette just so I have some of those like calm me down kind of shades in here. But I do think it is a pretty accent palette overall, you know? So anyways, thank you to Sligh Glam Box for sending this box over my way. If you guys are interested in signing up for the Sligh Glam Box, I will have a link down below, and of course my coupon code HOTMESS to save yourself 10% down there. And I will also link the little Walmart bed that I got a Cutie Kitty sugar dumplings if you guys are interested in that. If I can make anything affiliate links, I'm definitely going to do that. And check me out on my other channels, HOTMESS Momma Vlogs for curvy girl fashion hauls over there, HOTMESS in the kitchen. Of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HOTMESS Momma of Florence. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends.